Hi, welcome to this last revision video looking at random exam style questions for GCSE paper 3 revision, and it's the crossover topics for higher and for foundation. So in today's video we're looking at a quick scan of just 6 questions for GCSE maths, and I will go through each topic and the name of each topic in as much depth but in summary as well, at the same time. So this is aimed for last minute revision purposes, everyone. So as ever, please feel free guys to obviously pause the video. I am aware that the answers are already on there, but pause the video, try the questions without the answers, and then press play when you're ready. So question 1 is looking at solving an equation involving brackets. If I expand the brackets, 4 times c is 4c, 4 times 5 is plus 20, that has to equal to 10. If I then subtract 20 off both sides to balance the equation, 4c is equal to 10, take away 20, which is minus 10. Dividing both sides by 4, c is equal to negative 10 over 4, or negative 2.5, or negative 2.5. Either answer is fine. C is equal to negative 5 halves, minus 2.5, or minus 2.5 is appropriate. So make sure that you are happy with expanding single brackets and even double brackets. But in this case here, expanding single brackets, collecting like terms, balancing your equation, by adding or subtracting first, then times and dividing. So make sure it's the reverse process. It's the reverse process of BIDMAS. Question number 2, guys, we're looking at functions. F of x is equal to x squared, g of x equals 2x minus 1. The question says work out f g of x. So I start with g of x, so I start with the right hand side first, and then I'll work to the left hand side. So f of 2x minus 1 equals 2x minus 1 all squared. So putting it into f, it squares the function. Now be careful because it might ask you to expand and simplify that. But that is f g of x. Of course, if you expand and simplify it, it would be 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, which is the same as 2x minus 1 all squared. Remember that it's a double bracket there. The next part, g f of x, so I start with f of x, which is x squared, and then I apply g to it. So I replace x with x squared, so I get 2x squared minus 1, So that is my answer for that one. So this is composite function, functions of functions. So please check out relevant videos regarding these topics. Make sure that you are happy with functions of functions, guys. The next one is substituting into functions. So f of 5 means I sub 5 into my function. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. G of 10 is 2 lots of 10, which is 20. Subtract the 1 is 19. So make sure that you are happy with how to substitute into functions, and composite functions. Question 3 is looking at some fractional indices. So 9 to the power of a half. Remember that power of a half is the same as the square root. So 9 to the power of a half is the square root of 9. So the positive root of 9, which is just 3. I don't need to put plus or minus 3 because in this case I'm looking at the positive root. 8 to the minus third. Minus third, so the minus is a reciprocal, so I'll put it up here. A to the minus b is 1 over a to the b, so 3 to the minus 2 is 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. So the negative index flips it, so it flips either the number or fraction, so it's the reciprocal of 8, so it's 1 over 8 to the power of a third. 8 to the power of a third means the cube root of 8, so it's 1 over the cube root of 8, which is equal to a half, okay, or 1 over 2. The cube root of 8, we should know, is 2, guys, because 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, okay. Again, make sure that you're happy with your square and cube numbers, although it is a calculator paper, so you please do obviously take advantage of that if it does appear on a paper 3. But make sure that you are happy with your fractional and negative indices. Question 3 is a slightly more nastier, trickier one. 27 to the power of minus 2/3. Well, the minus flips it, okay, so it's 1 over 27 to the power of 2/3, 1 over the cube root of 27, so the denominator is the root that I take, so 1 over the cube root of 27, and then I square my answer. Well, the cube root of 27 we should know is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and then it's 1 over 3 squared, which is equal to a 9th, okay, or 1 over 9, okay. So just to summarize, guys, okay, x to the power of a half is the square root of x to the power of a third is the cube root of x to the power of 4 is the fourth root of x, etc, etc. A negative power, it flips the number, so it flips it and turns it into a fraction, or it's essentially the reciprocal, okay, it's the inverse of that number, okay, it's the reciprocal, we say. Question number 4, expanding triple brackets. Okay, so expand x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, you can multiply 2 of the brackets in either order. I chose to do x plus 1 times x plus 2 first. So expanding it, I get x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. Okay, collecting like terms in the first bracket, I get x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, I'm timesing that by x plus 3. Okay, so I get the answer of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 when I simplify and collect my like terms. I am wary and aware that I've done this in like a summary form, but make sure that you are happy with how to expand double brackets, collect like terms. So simplify here, collect like terms, okay, and make sure that you multiply 2 brackets first and then do the third one, okay, for that. Question number 5, find the roots of this quadratic. Now, because it's factorized, it makes it much easier. Either the first bracket equals 0 or the second bracket equals 0. If I solve each equation separately, so if I solve 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, then I get x is equal to 8/3. Or x is equal to minus 5/2. Okay, and again, I can express them either in mixed number, decimal, or top-heavy fractions or improper fractions. Okay, either way is going to be fine. Okay, question number 6, guys, is factorizing quadratics. Okay, so it's a double bracket, 2 numbers that add to give me positive 8 and times to make negative 9. Well, always look at the factors of your n numbers. It's 1 and 9, 3 and 3. Okay, so make sure that you are happy with that. So it's plus 9 minus 1, because positive 9 subtract 1 is positive 8, and positive 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. Okay, so it's the same 2 numbers that add to give me the middle term and multiply to give me the end term. And because it's a minus there, okay, minus 9 is going to be a positive and negative, okay, because a positive times a negative makes negative, okay, but it doesn't matter which order I write it in. X minus 1, x plus 9 is also sufficient. Okay, so that is a quick summary, guys. Okay, looking at 6 random exam style questions via GCSE maths. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Any questions, any queries, okay, put it in the comments section. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, actually, and thank you for all the support throughout this whole year. Best of luck in your exam tomorrow. Okay, and any last minute questions, any last minute queries, put it in the comments section. I'll try my best to help you guys, okay, and clear up any last minute misconceptions, okay. But please feel free to obviously check out my other videos, okay, on revision for paper 3, okay. But I've done this as like a quick fire, okay, question, okay. I appreciate that I might have like jumped yet and gone a bit quicker, okay, but make sure that you are happy with each topic, okay? And I'll try and put a list of the topic name in the description for question 1 to 6, okay. But that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find this useful, please like, please comment, please subscribe, okay, and please share, okay, and lastly, please turn on post notifications by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads, okay. But that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck for tomorrow. I hope you smash it, okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos throughout this whole year, okay. Thanks for the support, guys, on this channel. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you hopefully very soon, okay. Best wishes, okay. Best of luck, guys, and I'll see you soon, okay. Bye for now.